Well, this is my absolute favorite part of gardening. The temperatures have cooled. I'm getting ready for a garden tour, and most of the hard labor and the back-breaking work has been done, and now I'm just doing the fun part, kind of the icing on the cake. I'm just playing with seasonal color, filling pots and baskets, and the point of inspiration for this entire tableau for this fall season is going to be this darling Pancake Arborvitae from Southern Living. I love this color. I've used it extensively in my garden this year. It kind of is a sagey green that turns to blue, and I love the form of this plant, so I'm using it pretty extensively. So I went to my garden center today to kind of see what I could do to plant that would really accentuate its beauty. So the first thing I spotted were these really nice ornamental kales. I love the color, I love the texture against the fine texture of the Arborvitae. These big bold leaves will be beautiful, and it creates a beautiful color echo. And they have these kind of bright centers which will kind of help illuminate the space. And then probably the next thing that caught my eye were these Ornamental Peppers. And I love them because they're not really traditional for fall. They're kind of a more pale citrusy palette, this kind of orange and lemon yellow. I think they really are beautiful, and they've got this kind of cascading quality. So then I just looked for another color echo, and I found that in these Snapdragons. So basically I'm just planting the Snapdragons and the kale around the perimeter of these pots. I also found some lantana that's fragrant and has the same color palette. So they'll really be beautiful. One thing I love about these Arborvitae is that there's a good, strong stem that you can prune up and clip, giving you enough clearance at the base so you can plant this kind of skirt of seasonal color all around it. And then I also like to clip it into a little bit tighter architectural form. I think it's really beautiful, and it gives that kind of topiary look that I like so much. When I keep them in the ground, I let them go kind of fluffy, but in my pots I really like this stronger form. And again, I think it just is just a beautiful foil against the different kind of fluffy plants that I'll plant around the base. It's going to be really beautiful. I'll show you how to prune these a little bit later. So if you want something that's kind of the star of the show that you can keep in a pot year-round all through the winter, will be beautiful in spring, all through summer and into fall, then look at this darling Pancake Arborvitae from Southern Living Plant Collection.